Hey, it's Caden with Hawaii Upward Repair, and I just had a quick tip for you guys today. Inside of your fuel tank, typically there is a fuel pickup tube, which looks like this fitting right here. And on the back side of that tube, there's supposed to be a pickup line. Now you can see this one's still a little curved. I need to warm it up with the heat gun and get that material shape out of it. But over time, these pickup tubes, they begin to get old and brittle. You can see this one was been in there a little while. The ethanol can slowly dissolve them. And what can happen is if that tank is sitting in there and this either develops a small leak up here or worse, can break off altogether, you can suck as hard as you want and all you're gonna get's air with all the fuel at the bottom of the tank. So if you're getting some fuel delivery problems, that's something to check.